How are you guys? I'm gonna show you how to do a quick makeup routine today, and here we go. Here's the primer and the primer application. I use the Quench primer from Tarte, and I'm listing everything down below so you can find it quick and easy and know every product I'm using. My L'Oreal Infallible foundation, I'm the shade 455. And then you can see my boyfriend in the back taking a little nice poopy. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo concealer, a pretty great full coverage concealer from the drugstore. I really recommend that. Then I'm using my Coty Airspun in the translucent shade to bake. And I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. powder and pomade combination to do my eyebrows, and the Jeffree Star brush. And then I'll be using this concealer brush from Morphe to clean up my brows. And then my brows are done. I'll be using this to contour. It's in the shade Dulce de Leche, and it's from Wet n Wild. And then here you see me contouring my nose. I'll be using the Tarte Emission and Clay Feisty blush. And the Wet n Wild loose powder highlighter. Really pigmented, and you can also build it up. You can build up the shine. You see me blending it with my fingers. And I'll be using the Morphe Jeffree Star Collaboration palette. It's a pretty amazing palette. This is the color Lynn, which I'll be applying all over my lid just to conceal set all the concealer I apply to prime my eyelids. Then I'll be using those two shades, Calabasas and Boss Lady, I think it is. I mix them too, and I apply it all over my lid. Blend it really good, just to create kind of like a color underneath the black shade that I'll be using to smoky, to create this smokiness, to blend it all together. And I'll be using this Jeffree Star brush. I'll be linking below the Jeffree Star brushes I used, because you can't really see them in the video. And there you see how I build it up. To blend the black shade and the two other shades, I'm gonna be using a clean brush, and then I'll be grabbing a little bit more of the other two shades I used to blend everything together, as you can see. And there you have it. I'm working on my other eye, same thing. I use the two shades on my crease, blending them pretty good. You see me applying the black shade with the flat brush. And again, I'm gonna blend the two colors together using the same brush I was using before. And there you have it. Then I'll be using this brush and mixing the same two colors to work on my lower lash line. There you have it. To add a little pop of color, I'll be using Millions, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner. I'm gonna be using my Lash Paradise from L'Oreal mascara. Pretty amazing mascara. Then I decided not to put any fake lashes because I felt like it looked pretty good like that. I'm just building up the mascara a little bit in the bottom lashes and top lashes. And this is the waterproof formula. I'm using my setting spray. This is also from Wet n Wild. And then I'm using my lipstick. This is also from L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lipsticks. And this is the chocolate collection. They really taste like chocolate. And there you have it.